Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, same theme in the markets, I think, overnight that we've been hearing over the last couple of days. Beans up about 6 cents, wheat up about 5 to 6 cents, and corn's up about 2 cents. Over in the bean market, we're seeing basis levels firming up first domestically. It feels like where the bean harvest is getting closer to completion, some of the end users there have not bought enough beans from the farmers to satisfy this bigger demand than what they had thought. So they're pushing the basis up a little bit. And when the basis goes up, it helps the spreads, and when it helps the spreads, it helps the futures market. So we could see some more support in the soybean market because of this increase in demand. There's also talk that maybe China might have bought some January and February U.S. soybean cargoes overnight. All this may be because of some logistic issues in Brazil and the fact that the Argentina farmer is not selling. One of the things the market's going to be watching pretty closely is on Sunday, Argentina has an election. This is kind of a local election, and some people feel that the existing administration may lose some of their power. And so the first question that's raised by that change is whether or not they'll change the value of their currency. By lowering their currency, they actually could trigger more farmers selling, so we have to watch that pretty close. In the corn market, we have seen a pretty good appreciation in the price of corn for export in Ukraine and Brazil. For 2014, U.S. prices are more competitive, and so this is offering some support to the corn market. Still, I think we have a big corn crop here, and that's going to offer resistance. And November 8th, we'll see what the USDA says the corn crop is, but a lot of people are talking about it's a big crop, and that should limit the upside in prices. Over in the wheat market, we continue to see concern about Argentine export pace, Russian export pace. World prices have rallied. There's more export buying that's kind of popping up, and so that offers support underneath the wheat market, especially if Brazil buys more U.S. hardwood wheat or China decides to buy more wheat from the United States. So that continues to offer support to wheat, and especially versus the corn market. As far as weather is concerned, U.S. we're cool, mostly dry. That should help harvest progress. We warm up a little bit next week. Don't see a lot of rain in the forecast, and so it looks like it's a favorable forecast for U.S. as far as the completion of the harvest. Brazil weather is fine. Argentina still is dry, and it's something that we need to watch. I think long-range maps still suggest, especially southern Argentina, could remain dry for an extended period of time, and that could also help the corn market and could also help the soybean market if their crop continues decline. So anyway, this is my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
See you then.